Tonight, we're taking a journey into the shadows to explore the secret lives of creatures that only come alive when the sun sets. Get ready to uncover the wonders of the night. Welcome back to the Wild Wonders 360, where we dive into the mysteries of nature. Nighttime is when the wild truly comes to life. While we sleep, an entirely different world awakens. From the silent flight of owls to the swift movements of foxes and the agile navigation of bats, these animals have adapted perfectly to the darkness. Let's explore what makes them such skilled survivors of the night. Owls are known for their incredible night vision, but did you know that their eyes are so large that they can't move them within their sockets? This is why they have such flexible necks. Bats, often misunderstood, play a crucial role in our ecosystems. They're not just insect eaters. Many species are key pollinators and seed dispersers. And the fox, with its bushy tail known as a brush, uses it for balance during a chase and even as a blanket in cold weather. Adaptations for nightlife. Surviving and thriving in the dark isn't easy. These nocturnal creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations that make them masters of the night. Let's dive deeper into these adaptations. The owl's large eyes are packed with light-sensitive cells called rods, allowing it to see in near-complete darkness. But that's not all. Owls also have asymmetrical ears, with one higher than the other, enabling them to pinpoint the exact location of sounds, even the rustle of a mouse on the forest floor. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, but what really sets them apart is their echolocation ability. They emit sound waves that bounce off objects and return to them, helping them navigate and hunt in the pitch black. Some species can even detect the fluttering of moth wings. Foxes rely heavily on their acute sense of smell, which is 14 times stronger than a human's. This allows them to detect prey hidden under the snow or soil. Meanwhile, raccoons are known for their dexterous paws, which are almost as sensitive as human hands. This makes them incredibly skilled at manipulating objects, from opening jars to catching prey in water. Why do animals become nocturnal? But why do these animals prefer the night? The answer lies in a combination of survival strategies, reduced competition, and the protection that darkness offers. Being nocturnal offers a range of advantages. For example, many herbivores like rabbits and deer come out at night to graze, as the cover of darkness helps them avoid predators. Predators like owls and foxes, in turn, hunt at night to take advantage of this activity. And let's not forget smaller creatures like moths and beetles, which are less likely to be spotted and eaten by birds during the day. In harsh environments like deserts, where daytime temperatures soar, nocturnality helps animals avoid the extreme heat. Creatures like the fennec fox and certain species of snakes are active at night when the desert cools down, conserving water and energy. Spotlight on nocturnal animals. Let's take a closer look at two of the most fascinating nocturnal animals, the owl and the bat. These creatures are true icons of the night, each with their own unique traits and abilities. Owls are stealthy predators, capable of hearing the heartbeat of their prey. With feathers that absorb sound, they can swoop down on their targets without making a noise. They primarily hunt small mammals, but some species are known to catch fish or even other birds. Bats are incredibly diverse, with over 1,400 species worldwide. Some, like the vampire bat, feed on blood, while others, like the fruit bat, play a vital role in pollination. Watching a colony of bats emerge at dusk is a sight to behold. Hundreds, sometimes thousands of bats take to the sky, each one navigating with incredible precision. One of the most significant contributions of bats is their role in pest control. A single bat can eat up to 1,000 insects in an hour, making them crucial allies in agriculture. Let's turn our attention to two other nocturnal animals, the raccoon and the fox. These creatures are known for their adaptability and intelligence, often thriving in both wild and urban environments. Raccoons are incredibly resourceful animals. Their intelligence is comparable to that of primates, and they've been known to solve complex puzzles to get to food. This adaptability is why they often venture into cities where they can find food in trash bins and even figure out how to open containers. Foxes are solitary hunters, relying on their keen sense of hearing to locate prey, even underground. They use a pouncing technique known as mosing to surprise and catch rodents. Interestingly, foxes are also known for their playful behavior, especially young kids, which helps them develop the skills they need to survive as adults. How to observe nocturnal animals safely. Curious about observing nocturnal animals yourself? There's something magical about experiencing the natural world at night, but it's important to do so safely and responsibly. Start by familiarizing yourself with the types of nocturnal animals in your area. Use night vision equipment or red-filtered lights to minimize disturbance. Remember, many nocturnal animals are sensitive to bright lights, which can disorient them or even make them vulnerable to predators. Staying quiet and still is key to having a successful nighttime wildlife experience. Avoid making sudden movements or loud noises, as these can scare animals away. If you're in a group, try to keep your conversations to a minimum and always maintain a safe distance. Remember, you're in their territory. As the first light of dawn breaks, these creatures retreat back to their hidden homes, ending another night of survival. But their stories don't end here. We've only begun to scratch the surface of the nocturnal world, and there's so much more to discover. Thanks for joining us on this nighttime adventure. If you enjoyed learning about the secret lives of nocturnal animals, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of the Wild Wonders 360. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wild wonders of our planet.